Imagine a world where we can explore the farthest reaches of space, communicate with astronauts on distant planets, and harness technology that can change life as we know it. Welcome to the future. Welcome to the world of space information and technology. Hey, space enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving into the cutting-edge technologies that are revolutionizing our understanding of the cosmos. From powerful telescopes and spacecraft to artificial intelligence and space mining, we're exploring how technology is unlocking the mysteries of the universe and how it's changing the way we live right here on Earth. Let's start by talking about one of the most exciting areas of space technology: space exploration. How do we get to Mars, or even beyond? Well, it's all thanks to the advancements in spacecraft design and propulsion technology. Take NASA's Artemis program, for example. It's not just aiming to return humans to the moon, it's paving the way for a sustainable human presence on the moon and eventually Mars. With next-gen rockets, advanced life support systems, and autonomous landing capabilities, we're inching closer to turning science fiction into science fact. So, there's SpaceX and its Starship program, a spacecraft designed to transport humans all the way to Mars. It's honestly a new era of space travel, where the goal is to make life multiplanetary. And let's not forget about the International Space Station, which has been orbiting Earth for over 2 decades, giving us invaluable research into what it's really like to live in space. But space exploration isn't just about getting there. It's about seeing the universe in ways we've never even imagined before. Meet the James Webb Space Telescope, which is humanity's most powerful space telescope to date. Unlike its predecessor, the Hubble Space Telescope, Webb can actually peer deep into the universe, letting us look back in time to the very first galaxies formed after the Big Bang. And it's not just about distant stars. Webb's infrared capabilities allow us to study exoplanets and maybe, just maybe, identify signs of life. The technology behind Webb's ability to observe the cosmos is honestly just groundbreaking. It's made possible by advanced mirrors, heat shields, and sensors that allow us to capture images of space at a level of detail never before seen. But what about artificial intelligence? How is AI shaping our future in space? AI is now being used to analyze vast amounts of data collected from telescopes, satellites, and space missions. These AI systems can identify patterns and make predictions faster than any human ever could. In fact, AI is being used to control spacecraft autonomously. From guiding rovers on Mars to navigating satellites in Earth's orbit, AI is enhancing our ability to explore space with precision. And it doesn't stop there. AI is being integrated into space exploration systems, like planning future missions and even handling repairs and maintenance in deep space. Now let's talk about something that sounds like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie: space mining. Asteroids are rich in precious metals, minerals, and even water. Companies like Planetary Resources and Deep Space Industries are already working on technologies to mine asteroids. These resources could fuel future space missions and, if done right, even provide resources for Earth's economy. Imagine a future where we mine asteroids for rare materials like platinum and gold and, water from comets to fuel spacecraft. This could really reduce the cost of space exploration and support humanity's expansion into the stars. But you might be wondering, how does all this space technology affect us here on Earth? Space technology isn't just about rockets and telescopes. It actually impacts nearly every part of our daily lives. GPS systems, weather forecasting, and even communication all rely on satellites orbiting the Earth. Take GPS, for example. The system relies on a network of satellites that help guide everything from our cars to our phones. And weather satellites help predict storms and track climate change. The technology developed for space exploration is constantly being adapted to improve life on Earth. If you're as excited about the future of space exploration and technology as I am, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. And leave a comment below. What space technology do you think will change the world the most? Let's get the conversation going. Space is no longer the final frontier. It's the next great leap for humanity, and with space technology advancing every day, who knows what we'll discover next?
Reaching for the stars, a future among the cosmos. Imagine a future where humanity reaches out to touch the stars. Picture yourself gazing up at the night sky, not with just wonder, but with the knowledge that we are out there, exploring the vast expanse of the cosmos. This future, once a distant dream, is now within our grasp, thanks to the incredible advancements in space technology. We are on the cusp of a new era of space exploration, one where the seemingly impossible becomes possible. For centuries we have looked to the stars with a sense of awe and mystery. We have longed to unravel the secrets of the universe and discover our place within its grand design. Now, armed with cutting-edge technology, we are ready to embark on a journey of discovery that will redefine our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. It's a future filled with promise and wonder, a future that belongs to all of us. The future of space exploration is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. It's a future where we push the boundaries of what's possible and inspire generations to come. Join me as we delve into the exciting world of space technology and explore the groundbreaking innovations that are shaping the future of space exploration. Together, let's embark on a journey to the stars.
The data universe unlocking space's secrets. Space is vast, a boundless ocean of celestial wonders, but it's also a realm of immense data. Every second, a torrent of information streams from the cosmos, carrying secrets of distant stars, galaxies, and planets. This data holds the key to unlocking some of the universe's greatest mysteries. In the past, our ability to collect and analyze this data was limited, but today, we stand at the forefront of a data revolution. Advanced sensors and telescopes are capturing data at an unprecedented scale, providing us with a treasure trove of information about the universe. This data deluge is transforming the way we explore space. It's not just about collecting data, it's about making sense of it. That's where the real challenge lies. We need to sift through this vast sea of information and extract meaningful insights. We need to find the patterns, the anomalies, the clues that will lead us to new discoveries.
AI in orbit. Space explorers powered by code. Enter artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is revolutionizing the way we process and interpret space data. Imagine powerful algorithms sifting through mountains of data in the blink of an eye, identifying patterns and anomalies that would take humans years to uncover. That's the power of AI. AI is like having a team of tireless assistants working around the clock, analyzing data and alerting us to anything unusual. This frees up human scientists and engineers to focus on the big questions, the why behind the data. It's a powerful partnership, one that's accelerating the pace of discovery in space exploration. But AI's role in space exploration goes beyond data analysis. AI-powered robots and spacecraft are becoming increasingly sophisticated, capable of performing complex tasks autonomously. These robotic explorers can venture into hazardous environments, collect samples, and conduct experiments, all while sending back valuable data to Earth.
Quantum leaps reimagining space exploration. Now let's talk about quantum computing, a technology with the potential to revolutionize space exploration in ways we can only begin to imagine. Quantum computers harness the strange and counterintuitive laws of quantum mechanics to perform calculations at speeds that dwarf even the most powerful supercomputers. Imagine a future where we can use quantum computers to simulate the birth of stars, the collision of galaxies, or even the conditions inside a black hole. This would be a game changer for our understanding of the universe. Quantum computing could also revolutionize space communication, allowing us to send and receive information across vast interstellar distances with incredible speed and security. This is not science fiction, it's the future of space exploration. Quantum computing is still in its early stages, but its potential is undeniable. It's a technology that could unlock some of the universe's deepest secrets and pave the way for interstellar travel.
Section 5. Connecting the cosmos, communication across the void. Communication is the lifeblood of space exploration. As we venture further into space, we need reliable, high-bandwidth communication networks to stay connected with our spacecraft and astronauts. Thankfully, advancements in space communication technology are keeping pace with our ambitions. We're now developing laser-based communication systems that can transmit data at speeds hundreds of times faster than traditional radio waves. These laser links have the potential to revolutionize space communication, enabling real-time high-definition video streaming from Mars and beyond. Imagine being able to have a face-to-face conversation with an astronaut on Mars, as if they were in the next room. That's the future of space communication, and it's closer than you think. These advancements will be crucial for supporting future human missions to Mars and beyond.
Section 6. A new era of discovery, humanity's next giant leap. We stand at the dawn of a new era of space exploration, one driven by groundbreaking technologies like AI, quantum computing, and advanced communication networks. These technologies are not merely tools. They are transforming the way we explore space, opening up new frontiers and possibilities. With AI as our guide, quantum computers as our engines, and laser links as our communication lifelines, we are poised to unlock the universe's greatest secrets. We are ready to embark on a journey of discovery that will redefine our place in the cosmos. This is a future filled with wonder and excitement, a future where we push the boundaries of human ingenuity and explore the cosmos like never before. Section 7. Inspiring the next generation. The future of space is in your hands. The future of space exploration is not just about technology. It's about people. It's about inspiring the next generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers to reach for the stars. It's about igniting a passion for discovery, a thirst for knowledge that will propel us to new heights. As we stand on the cusp of this new era of space exploration, it's our responsibility to share our passion for the cosmos with the world. We need to engage and inspire young minds, to show them that the universe is theirs to explore, to understand, to marvel at. The future of space exploration belongs to those who dare to dream big, to those who are unafraid to push the boundaries of what's possible. It belongs to the curious, the tenacious, the explorers at heart. Section 8. Conclusion. The final frontier is just the beginning. The universe is calling and we must answer. With the power of technology and the spirit of exploration as our guides, we are ready to embark on a journey that will redefine our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. The final frontier is not a destination, it's a beginning. It's a call to adventure, a challenge to explore, a promise of discoveries yet to be made. Let's embrace the unknown with open arms and continue our quest to unravel the mysteries of the universe. The future of space exploration is bright, and it's a future we will write together. So keep looking up at the stars, keep dreaming big, and never lose your sense of wonder. The universe awaits.
Space, the final frontier. It has captivated humanity for millennia. We gaze at the stars and wonder, what secrets do they hold? What mysteries lie beyond our world? Today we stand at the cusp of a new era. Space exploration is no longer a distant dream, it is a reality. For centuries we were bound to Earth. We could only observe the cosmos from afar, but in the 20th century everything changed. We launched rockets, we sent satellites into orbit, we landed humans on the moon. It was the dawn of the space age. Now, in the 21st century, space exploration is undergoing a revolution. New technologies are emerging at an unprecedented pace. Artificial intelligence is helping us analyze vast amounts of data. Private companies are making space travel more affordable. This is an exciting time to be alive. Join me as we explore the latest advancements in space technology, discover how these innovations are impacting our lives today, and catch a glimpse of the incredible possibilities that await us in the future. The journey into space began with a simple beep. In 1957, the Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1. It was the first artificial satellite to orbit Earth. This event sent shockwaves around the world. It marked the beginning of the space race. The United States quickly followed suit with the launch of Explorer 1. Soon, both superpowers were sending probes to the Moon, Venus, and Mars. These early missions were rudimentary by today's standards, but they paved the way for future exploration. The Apollo program was a defining moment in human history. In 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first person to walk on the moon. It was a giant leap for mankind. The Apollo missions inspired a generation of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. The end of the Cold War brought about a new era of cooperation in space. The International Space Station, or ISS, is a testament to this collaboration. It is a marvel of engineering and a symbol of international unity. The ISS serves as a research laboratory in space. For centuries, astronomers relied on ground-based telescopes to study the universe, but Earth's atmosphere distorts light, limiting the clarity of observations. The solution? Space telescopes. In 1990, the Hubble Space Telescope was launched into orbit. Free from atmospheric distortion, Hubble provided breathtaking images of distant galaxies, nebulae, and planets. It revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. Hubble has made groundbreaking discoveries over its 3 decades of operation. And then came James Webb. This next-generation space telescope launched in 2021. It is more powerful than Hubble. The James Webb Space Telescope observes the universe in infrared light. This allows it to see through dust clouds and observe the most distant objects in the universe. The data collected by Hubble and James Webb has been astounding. It has helped us unravel the mysteries of black holes, the birth of stars, and the evolution of galaxies. Section 4. AI in Space Decoding the Cosmos. Space exploration generates massive amounts of data. It's more than humans can analyze alone. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is playing an increasingly important role in space exploration. AI systems can sift through mountains of data, identifying patterns and anomalies that humans might miss. For example, AI is being used to map the surface of Mars. It's also helping us to identify potentially hazardous asteroids. AI is even being used to search for signs of extraterrestrial life. The applications of AI in space are virtually limitless. AI is not just a tool for scientists, it is also being used to develop autonomous spacecraft. These spacecraft can make decisions on their own without the need for human intervention. This is essential for missions to distant planets and beyond. Section 5. SpaceX and the Rise of Private Spaceflight. For decades, space exploration was the domain of government agencies like NASA and Roscosmos, but the landscape is changing. Private companies are now playing a major role in spaceflight. SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk, has been at the forefront of this revolution. The company has developed reusable rockets such as the Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy. These rockets have significantly reduced the cost of launching payloads into space. SpaceX is not alone. Other private companies, such as Blue Origin and Virgin Galactic, are also developing space tourism ventures. Imagine a future where anyone can experience the thrill of spaceflight. The rise of private spaceflight is opening up new possibilities for exploration, research, and even commercial activities in space. It's an exciting time for space enthusiasts and entrepreneurs alike. Space, the final frontier. For centuries, humanity has gazed at the stars, filled with wonder and a thirst for knowledge. Today, that thirst is being quenched like never before. We are living in a golden age of space exploration, driven by a relentless wave of technological advancements. These advancements are not merely tools for observation, they are keys unlocking the universe's greatest secrets. From the depths of our oceans to the highest mountain peaks, we have explored and charted our own planet. Now we turn our attention to the cosmos, eager to understand our place within its vast expanse. The universe beckons, and with each passing year, we edge closer to unraveling its mysteries. This is a journey driven by innovation, a testament to human ingenuity, and a promise of extraordinary discoveries yet to come. It is a journey we embark on together, as citizens of Earth, united by our shared curiosity and our unyielding desire to explore the unknown. The cosmos awaits, and with technology as our guide, we are poised to reach for the stars. Satellites have become our constant companions in orbit, silently shaping our modern world. These sophisticated machines orbiting high above Earth are our eyes in the sky, providing invaluable data and insights that touch every aspect of our lives. From navigation systems that guide us through bustling cities, to communication networks that connect us across continents, satellites have become indispensable. But their role extends far beyond these everyday applications. Satellites are vital for monitoring our planet's health, tracking weather patterns, and studying climate change. They provide crucial early warnings of natural disasters, helping us prepare for and mitigate their impact. In essence, satellites have become guardians of Earth, watching over us from their celestial vantage point. Furthermore, satellites play a pivotal role in space exploration itself. They act as our scouts, venturing into the depths of our solar system and beyond, beaming back breathtaking images and invaluable data about distant planets, moons, and celestial objects. Satellites are the pioneers of space exploration, paving the way for future human missions to these uncharted territories. The vastness of space presents a challenge of unprecedented scale. Analyzing the sheer volume of data collected from telescopes, satellites, and probes would be an insurmountable task for human analysts alone. This is where artificial intelligence steps in, revolutionizing the way we explore and understand the cosmos. AI acts as our intelligent assistant in space, sifting through mountains of data with remarkable speed and accuracy. It can identify patterns, anomalies, and potential discoveries that might otherwise elude even the most astute human observer. AI is helping us to make sense of the universe's complexities, revealing hidden connections and insights that would otherwise remain obscured. Moreover, AI is playing an increasingly critical role in autonomous spacecraft navigation and operation. Self-driving rovers on Mars, for example, rely heavily on AI to navigate treacherous terrain, avoid obstacles, and make decisions about where to collect the most scientifically valuable samples. As we venture further into space, AI will become an even more indispensable companion, enabling us to explore more efficiently, effectively, and safely. The dream of humans traveling beyond Earth is no longer confined to the realm of science fiction. Thanks to groundbreaking advancements in space travel technology, we are on the cusp of a new era of human spaceflight. Reusable rockets developed by private companies like SpaceX have dramatically reduced the cost of launching payloads and humans into orbit, making space more accessible than ever before. These advancements are paving the way for ambitious missions, including a return to the moon and eventually human voyages to Mars and beyond. Imagine a future where humans establish a permanent presence on the lunar surface, conducting scientific research, mining resources, and using the moon as a stepping stone for further exploration of our solar system. The involvement of private companies in the space industry is injecting new energy and innovation into the field. These companies are not only driving down costs, but are also pushing the boundaries of what's possible, developing cutting-edge technologies that will revolutionize space travel and open up new frontiers for exploration. From the azure hues of our planet's oceans to the swirling cloud patterns that dance across continents, the view of Earth from space is a humbling reminder of our place in the cosmos. But what if I told you that the very technology we use to capture these breathtaking images is doing more than just revealing the beauty of our world? What if I told you that it's quietly revolutionizing life as we know it? Did you know that GPS in your phone, the weather forecast you rely on, and even the global internet boom all rely on one thing: space technology? What if I told you that space isn't just about rockets and astronauts, it's about the future of life on Earth itself? In the next 9 minutes, I'm going to show you how space information and technology are transforming our world, and why it matters to you more than ever before. Let's clear this up first. Space technology isn't just about launching rockets, it's a huge ecosystem of tools, software, satellites, sensors, and systems built to operate beyond Earth's atmosphere and bring data back to Earth. Think of it as an intricate ballet of engineering marvels, each playing a crucial role in this grand cosmic performance. We have satellites orbiting our planet, acting as our eyes in the sky. They observe Earth's land masses, oceans, and atmosphere, collecting data on everything from weather patterns to deforestation rates. But it's not just about observation. Space technology is also about communication. Satellites beam down signals that enable global communication networks, connecting us across continents and oceans. They are the invisible threads that weave together the tapestry of our interconnected world. And let's not forget the software and algorithms that process this deluge of data, transforming raw information into actionable insights. These sophisticated tools allow us to track hurricanes, predict earthquakes, and even monitor the health of our planet's ecosystems. Space technology isn't some distant esoteric field, it's deeply intertwined with our daily lives. Consider the GPS navigation system that guides you through traffic, helps you find the nearest coffee shop, or allows you to share your location with friends. This modern marvel relies on a constellation of satellites orbiting Earth, sending precise time signals that allow your device to calculate its position with remarkable accuracy. Or think about the weather forecasts that inform our decisions, from planning a weekend getaway to preparing for a potential natural disaster. These forecasts are based on data gathered by weather satellites that constantly monitor atmospheric conditions, providing us with early warnings and helping us mitigate the impacts of severe weather events. Space technology is the invisible hand that shapes our world, connecting us, informing us, and protecting us in ways we often take for granted. Think space tech is only for scientists? Think again, it touches your life every day. Remember that GPS app guiding you to your destination? Thank a satellite. And that up-to-the-minute weather report? Space technology again. It's not science fiction, it's part of our daily reality, but it goes deeper than that. Farmers, for instance, are using satellite imagery to monitor crop health, optimize irrigation, and increase yields. This precision agriculture is not only improving efficiency, but also reducing waste and minimizing the environmental impact of farming practices. In disaster relief efforts, space technology plays a crucial role in coordinating response, providing real-time imagery of affected areas, and enabling communication in the aftermath of catastrophic events. When disaster strikes, every second counts, and space-based assets provide invaluable support in saving lives and mitigating damage. Even urban planners are leveraging space data to create smarter, more sustainable cities. By analyzing satellite imagery and using geographic information systems, they can optimize transportation networks, manage urban sprawl, and improve the overall quality of life for residents. And let's not forget the role of space technology in bridging the digital divide. In remote areas where terrestrial internet infrastructure is lacking, satellite internet is connecting communities, providing access to education, healthcare, and economic opportunities that were previously out of reach. The impact of space technology extends far beyond the realm of scientific exploration. It's a powerful tool for solving some of the most pressing challenges facing our planet and its inhabitants. From mitigating climate change to advancing global health, the possibilities are as vast as space itself. Chapter 3: Innovations Reshaping the Industry. Let's talk about game changers. Reusable rockets like those developed by SpaceX are driving down launch costs, making space more accessible for everyone. This paradigm shift in space transportation is opening up a new era of possibilities, allowing us to dream bigger and bolder when it comes to exploring the cosmos. But it's not just about getting to space, it's about what we do when we're up there. Miniaturization of technology has led to the rise of CubeSats, tiny satellites that are revolutionizing space research. These affordable and versatile platforms are empowering universities, startups, and even individual researchers to conduct cutting-edge science in space. And then there's the James Webb Space Telescope, the most powerful observatory ever launched into space. With its ability to peer deep into the universe, the James Webb Telescope is poised to revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos, unraveling mysteries of the early universe, and searching for signs of life beyond Earth. But the innovations don't stop there. 3D printing in space is no longer science fiction, it's a reality. This groundbreaking technology allows us to manufacture tools, components, and even habitats in space, reducing our reliance on Earth-based supplies and paving the way for long-duration space missions. And let's not forget the advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence, which are playing an increasingly important role in space exploration. From autonomous rovers exploring the surface of Mars, to intelligent systems managing complex spacecraft operations, these technologies are extending our reach into the cosmos and pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity. Chapter 4: The Future. What's coming next? So what's next? Imagine a future where asteroid mining unlocks vast resources, space tourism becomes commonplace, and we establish a permanent human presence on Mars. These may seem like distant dreams, but the pace of technological advancement suggests that they are well within the realm of possibility. Space-based solar power, for instance, has the potential to provide clean, renewable energy to the entire planet. Imagine capturing the sun's energy in space, where it's available 24/7, and beaming it down to Earth, free from the limitations of weather patterns and atmospheric interference. And what about space-based manufacturing? The unique conditions of microgravity and vacuum offer intriguing possibilities for creating new materials and products with properties that are impossible to achieve on Earth. From ultra-pure pharmaceuticals to high-performance semiconductors, the potential benefits are immense. But perhaps the most profound implication of our continued exploration of space is the potential for discovering life beyond Earth. The search for extraterrestrial life, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, is now a legitimate scientific endeavor, and the discovery of even microbial life on another planet would have profound implications for our understanding of our place in the universe. The future of space technology is not just about pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity, it's about ensuring the long-term survival and prosperity of our species. As we face the challenges of climate change, resource depletion, and a growing global population, space offers a new frontier, a source of hope, and a canvas upon which to paint the next chapter of human history. Chapter 5: Challenges and Risks. Of course, it's not all easy launch and landings. Space exploration and utilization come with inherent risks. Space debris, for example, poses a growing threat to satellites and spacecraft. Imagine a high-speed game of cosmic billiards, where even a small piece of debris can cause catastrophic damage. Addressing this issue is crucial for ensuring the sustainability of our activities in space. Then there's the challenge of international cooperation. As more nations and private companies enter the space arena, establishing clear guidelines and treaties to govern space activities becomes paramount. We need to ensure that space remains a global commons, accessible to all for peaceful purposes. And let's not forget the ethical considerations. As we venture further into the cosmos, we need to grapple with questions about the potential impact of our presence on other celestial bodies. The principle of planetary protection, which seeks to prevent the contamination of other planets with Earth-based life, becomes increasingly important as we explore our solar system and beyond. But perhaps the most significant challenge of all is inspiring the next generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers. We need to cultivate a sense of wonder and curiosity in young minds, encouraging them to pursue careers in STEM fields, and to dream big about the possibilities of space exploration. Overcoming these challenges is not optional. It's essential if we want to continue reaping the benefits of space technology and ensure a bright future for humanity among the stars. It requires international collaboration, technological innovation, and a shared commitment to responsible space exploration. Outro: Our future in space. Space information and technology are no longer about reaching the stars. They're about improving life right here on Earth. Education, communication, food, energy, even safety, it's all connected. From the satellites that beam down our favorite shows to the GPS systems that guide us through unfamiliar streets, space technology has become an integral part of our daily lives. But it's more than just convenience. It's about solving global challenges, advancing scientific knowledge, and inspiring future generations. It's about recognizing our interconnectedness not just as humans, but as citizens of a planet, a solar system, and a universe teeming with possibilities. So here's my challenge to you: if this inspired you even a little, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into the future of our world, and drop a comment. What do you think is the most exciting or scariest part of space technology? Imagine waking up to a personalized weather report, accurate to the minute. You grab your phone, its sleek design made possible by manufacturing techniques pioneered in space. Your commute is guided by GPS, a constellation of satellites orbiting Earth. You check the news, filled with images of distant galaxies captured by space telescopes. This is life in the 21st century, seamlessly interwoven with space technology. What was once the realm of science fiction is now our reality. Space technology, once confined to rocket launches and moon landings, has become an invisible force shaping our daily lives. From the smartphones in our pockets to the food on our tables, space tech's impact is undeniable. This essay will explore the fascinating world of space technology, its evolution, and its profound impact on our world. We'll delve into cutting-edge systems, uncover real-world benefits, and peek into the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. Join me as we embark on a journey to understand how space tech is shaping our present and building our future, one innovation at a time. Space technology encompasses all the scientific, engineering, and innovative endeavors that enable us to explore and utilize the vast expanse beyond Earth's atmosphere. It's a multifaceted field, encompassing everything from powerful rockets that propel us into orbit to sophisticated satellites that beam information back to Earth. At its core, space technology is about pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity. It's about developing new materials, communication systems, and energy sources that can withstand the harsh conditions of space. It's about designing robots that can explore distant planets and telescopes that can peer into the depths of the universe. But space technology isn't just about reaching for the stars. It's also about improving life on Earth. The knowledge gained from space exploration has led to countless technological advancements that benefit us all, from medical imaging techniques to water purification systems. As we delve deeper into the world of space technology, we'll uncover the intricate ways it touches every aspect of our lives, often in ways we might not even realize. The story of space technology is a testament to human curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. It's a story that began with the launch of Sputnik 1 in 1957, the first artificial satellite to orbit Earth. This pivotal event marked the dawn of the space age, igniting a global race for space exploration. From the early days of rudimentary satellites and manned missions to the moon, space technology has advanced by leaps and bounds. We've sent probes to every planet in our solar system, landed rovers on Mars, and built the International Space Station, a marvel of engineering orbiting our planet. Along the way, we've developed groundbreaking technologies like solar panels, GPS, and satellite communication systems, all of which have become integral parts of our modern world. the miniaturization of electronics, initially driven by the need for compact and lightweight spacecraft components, paved the way for the smartphones and other portable devices we rely on today. The journey of space technology is far from over. As we continue to push the boundaries of exploration, we can expect even more groundbreaking innovations that will shape our future in profound ways. Today, space technology encompasses a vast array of cutting-edge systems, each more impressive than the last. Satellites, the workhorses of space exploration, have become indispensable for communication, navigation, and Earth observation. They provide us with real-time weather updates, enable global communication networks, and help us monitor our planet's health. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is playing an increasingly important role in space exploration. AI-powered systems are used to analyze vast amounts of data collected by spacecraft, identify potential landing sites on other planets, and even control autonomous rovers exploring the Martian surface. Big data analytics is another crucial tool in the space tech arsenal. By processing and analyzing the massive data sets collected by satellites and telescopes, scientists can gain new insights into climate change, weather patterns, and the origins of the universe. Quantum communication, a technology still in its infancy, holds the potential to revolutionize space exploration. By enabling faster-than-light communication, quantum networks could one day allow for real-time control of spacecraft on missions to distant stars. These are just a few examples of the incredible technologies driving the space tech revolution. As research and development continue, we can expect even more mind-boggling innovations in the years to come. Section 5, Space Tech on Earth Benefits in Every Corner. While the wonders of space exploration often capture our imagination, it's important to remember that space technology has a profound impact on our everyday lives here on Earth. From the mundane to the life-saving, space tech benefits us in countless ways. One of the most obvious examples is GPS, a system that relies on a network of satellites to provide precise location data. GPS is used in navigation systems, smartphones, and even by farmers to optimize crop yields. It's become an indispensable tool for businesses, governments, and individuals alike. Satellite imagery plays a crucial role in monitoring our planet's health. Scientists use satellite data to track deforestation, monitor melting glaciers, and predict natural disasters. This information is essential for developing strategies to combat climate change and protect our environment. Space technology is also transforming the way we communicate. Satellite communication systems enable global internet access, even in remote areas. This has opened up new opportunities for education, commerce, and cultural exchange. In the field of medicine, technologies originally developed for space travel have led to breakthroughs in medical imaging, drug delivery systems, and prosthetic limbs. The development of lightweight, portable medical equipment, initially designed for use in space, has revolutionized healthcare in remote and disaster-stricken areas. These are just a few examples of the myriad ways space technology is improving our lives. As space exploration continues, we can expect even more innovations that will benefit humanity in the years to come. Section 6. The Final Frontier Space Tech's Next Giant Leap. As we stand on the cusp of a new era of space exploration, the future of space technology is filled with tantalizing possibilities. Scientists, engineers, and entrepreneurs are working tirelessly to develop technologies that will enable us to venture further into the cosmos and unlock its secrets. One of the most ambitious goals is the establishment of an interplanetary internet, a network that would connect Earth to Mars and beyond. This would enable real-time communication with future Martian colonies and facilitate the transmission of vast amounts of scientific data. Autonomous exploration is another area of intense research. Scientists are developing self-driving rovers and spacecraft that can explore distant planets and moons without human intervention. These robotic explorers will pave the way for future human missions and help us unlock the secrets of our solar system. Space tourism is no longer a distant dream. Private companies are developing spacecraft capable of carrying paying passengers to the edge of space and beyond. While still in its early stages, space tourism is poised to become a multi-billion-dollar industry in the coming decades. These are just a few examples of the exciting advancements on the horizon. As we continue to push the boundaries of space technology, we can expect even more mind-boggling innovations that will redefine our place in the cosmos. Section 7. Space for Everyone, Your Place in the Cosmos. The exploration of space is not just a scientific endeavor, it's a human one. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible, inspiring future generations, and deepening our understanding of our place in the universe. While only a select few will ever have the opportunity to travel to space, we can all share in the wonder and excitement of discovery. By following the latest space exploration missions, supporting space research, and encouraging STEM education, we can all play a role in shaping the future of space technology. the cosmos holds endless mysteries waiting to be unraveled. By embracing our collective curiosity and supporting the continued development of space technology, we can ensure that the journey of exploration continues for the benefit of all humankind. Section 8, Epilogue. A universe of possibilities awaits. As we've seen, space technology is no longer confined to the realm of science fiction. It's a tangible force shaping our daily lives, driving innovation, and expanding our understanding of the universe. From the smartphones in our pockets to the satellites orbiting our planet, space tech is all around us. The future of space exploration is filled with both challenges and opportunities. As we venture further into the cosmos, we'll need to develop new technologies, overcome new obstacles, and answer fundamental questions about our place in the universe. But one thing is certain, the journey of discovery is far from over. With each passing year, we're getting closer to unlocking the secrets of the cosmos and realizing the full potential of space technology. The universe of possibilities awaits, and it's up to us to explore it. Think about the last time you used your phone's GPS or checked the weather forecast. Ever watched a live sports event from another continent? These everyday actions, connecting us across vast distances, wouldn't be possible without space technology. We rarely pause to consider it, but the truth is, space tech isn't just for astronauts and rocket scientists anymore. It's woven into the fabric of our daily lives. Remember those bulky car phones from the 80s? Now, our smartphones are sleek, powerful, and connected by a global network of satellites orbiting high above us. Space technology has miniaturized at an incredible pace, becoming more accessible and impactful than ever before. From the moment you wake up to the time you go to sleep, space tech is quietly working its magic. But how did we get here? How did we go from launching a simple metal sphere into orbit to relying on a complex network of satellites for communication, navigation, and so much more? The answer lies in the history of space exploration and the relentless human drive to push beyond the known frontiers. When we talk about space information and technology, we're talking about a vast field. It encompasses all the tools and techniques used to explore and understand the cosmos and apply that knowledge to benefit humanity. This includes everything from launching rockets and telescopes to developing new materials and communication systems. At its core, space information is data. It's the raw information collected by telescopes, satellites, and probes exploring the universe. This data can be as simple as an image of a distant galaxy or as complex as the chemical composition of a Martian rock. Space technology, on the other hand, is the application of engineering and scientific principles to design, build, and operate spacecraft and other space-based systems. It's about creating the tools and infrastructure needed to gather space information, analyze it, and use it to solve problems here on Earth. Together, space information and technology form a powerful partnership. They allow us to see beyond our planet, understand our place in the universe, and develop solutions to challenges we face here at home. But their journey began modestly with a simple beep heard around the world. The story of modern space technology begins with a beep. In 1957, the Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite to orbit Earth. This event marked the dawn of the space age and ignited a fierce rivalry between the United States and the Soviet Union. The space race, as it came to be known, spurred rapid advancements in rocketry, materials, science, and communications. We witnessed the first human in space, Yuri Gagarin in 1961, followed by the monumental achievement of landing humans on the moon in 1969 with Apollo 11. While the space race was largely driven by political motivations, it laid the foundation for the widespread use of space technology we see today. Satellites, initially developed for espionage and military purposes, quickly found civilian applications in communication, navigation, and Earth observation. Today, the landscape of space exploration has changed dramatically. Private companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Rocket Lab are playing an increasingly prominent role, driving down costs and opening up new possibilities for space travel and research. The future of space exploration is no longer solely in the hands of governments, it's becoming increasingly democratized. Space technology's impact on our daily lives is profound, even if we don't always realize it. Consider the GPS navigation system in your phone or car. It relies on a constellation of satellites orbiting Earth, constantly transmitting signals that allow your device to pinpoint your location with remarkable accuracy. Ever wonder how meteorologists can predict the weather with increasing accuracy? Weather satellites provide a global view of atmospheric conditions, tracking storms, measuring temperature and humidity, and helping us prepare for natural disasters. But the impact of space technology goes far beyond navigation and weather forecasting. Satellite imagery is used in agriculture to monitor crop health, optimize irrigation, and improve yields. It's used in disaster relief efforts to assess damage, coordinate rescue operations, and deliver aid to affected areas. Even online banking relies on space technology. Satellites provide the precise time synchronization needed for secure financial transactions. From the mundane to the extraordinary, space tech has become an invisible hand guiding and shaping our modern world. Section 5. The future is out there. Space tech innovations on the horizon. The future of space technology is brimming with possibilities. Companies like SpaceX are developing reusable rockets, aiming to make space travel more affordable and accessible. Imagine a future where space tourism is commonplace and we venture beyond Earth's orbit as routinely as we travel across continents today. The use of artificial intelligence in space is also rapidly evolving. AI-powered satellites will be able to process vast amounts of data autonomously, identifying patterns and anomalies that would be impossible for humans to detect. This will revolutionize fields like Earth observation, resource management, and disaster prediction. Looking further ahead, concepts like space-based solar power and lunar mining hold immense potential. Imagine harnessing the sun's energy in space and beaming it back to Earth, providing clean and sustainable energy for our growing needs, or establishing a permanent presence on the moon, mining resources that could be used to build infrastructure in space and reduce our reliance on Earth's resources. Section 6. The challenges of reaching for the stars. While the future of space technology is filled with promise, it's not without its challenges. One pressing concern is the growing problem of space debris. Decades of space exploration have left Earth's orbit littered with defunct satellites, spent rocket stages, and fragments from collisions. This debris poses a significant threat to operational spacecraft and future missions. The increasing commercialization of space also raises concerns about data privacy and security. As more companies and organizations launch their own satellites and collect vast amounts of data, ensuring responsible and ethical use of that information becomes paramount. Furthermore, the potential for the militarization of space is a growing concern. As space becomes more accessible, there's a risk that it could become another theater for military competition and conflict. Establishing international treaties and norms for responsible behavior in space is crucial to prevent an arms race and ensure the peaceful and sustainable use of space for all humankind. Section 7. Space for everyone, ensuring ethical and equitable access. As we venture further into the cosmos, it's crucial to ensure that the benefits of space exploration are shared equitably among all nations and peoples. For too long, space exploration has been dominated by a handful of powerful nations. We need to create a more inclusive and collaborative approach, involving developing countries and fostering international cooperation. Ethical considerations should be at the forefront of all space activities. We must be mindful of our impact on the space environment, avoid contaminating other celestial bodies, and preserve the pristine beauty of the cosmos for future generations. Space exploration is not just about scientific discovery, it's about inspiring humanity, pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and using our knowledge to create a better future for everyone. Section 8. Keep looking up, a call to explore responsibly. The universe beckons us with its endless mysteries and boundless possibilities. As we stand at the cusp of a new era of space exploration, we have a responsibility to proceed with wisdom, caution, and a deep respect for the cosmos. Let us continue to explore the final frontier, but let us do so responsibly, ethically, and with a commitment to using space technology for the betterment of all humankind. Let us strive to make space a realm of peace, cooperation, and shared discovery. The future of space exploration is in our hands. Let's make it a future worthy of the boundless wonders that await us among the stars. Keep looking up. We rarely think about it, but space technology is everywhere. It's more than just rockets and astronauts, it's woven into the fabric of our daily lives. This incredible technology impacts us in countless ways. Imagine a world without GPS. You'd need paper maps to navigate. Our smartphones rely on satellites orbiting Earth. These satellites send signals that tell us where we are. They make navigation easy. Weather forecasting also depends on space technology. Satellites monitor weather patterns from above. This gives us advance warning of storms and other events. Accurate forecasts keep us safe and informed. Global communication is another area transformed by space technology. Satellites relay signals across vast distances, enabling instant communication around the world. We can connect with anyone, anywhere, in the blink of an eye. The journey into space began in the 1950s. The Soviet Union launched Sputnik, the first artificial satellite, in 1957. This event marked the dawn of the space age. The United States responded with the creation of NASA. A global space race was on. Both superpowers pushed the boundaries of technology. They competed to achieve new milestones in space. One of the most iconic moments came in 1969. American astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to walk on the moon. This achievement captivated the world and inspired generations to dream of exploring the cosmos. The space race led to incredible technological advancements. These advancements continue to benefit us today. They paved the way for the sophisticated space technology we rely on. Space technology is not just for astronauts and scientists, it's in our pockets, our cars, and even our homes. We use it every day without even realizing it. GPS, or Global Positioning System, is a prime example. It relies on a network of satellites orbiting Earth. These satellites transmit signals that our devices use to pinpoint our location. GPS is essential for navigation, mapping, and location-based services. Satellite imagery plays a crucial role in various fields. It helps us monitor the environment, track weather patterns, and even predict natural disasters. Farmers use satellite data to optimize crop yields and manage resources effectively. Communication satellites have revolutionized the way we connect. They beam television signals, facilitate international phone calls, and enable internet connectivity in remote areas. Thanks to space technology, we live in a world without borders. Space exploration is not just about reaching for the stars, it's also about improving life on Earth. Research conducted in space has led to groundbreaking discoveries in science and medicine. The unique environment of space provides an ideal setting for scientific experiments. Scientists can study the effects of microgravity on various materials and organisms. This research has led to advancements in materials science, fluid dynamics, and our understanding of the human body. Medical technology has also benefited greatly from space research. Developments in areas like imaging technology, remote surgery, and prosthetic limbs can be traced back to advancements made for space exploration. Furthermore, the search for life beyond Earth has driven innovation in astrobiology. By studying extreme environments on Earth and other planets, scientists hope to unlock the secrets of life's origins and potential for life elsewhere in the universe. Section 5. Red Planet. Dreams and Beyond. The future of exploration. The future of space exploration is filled with exciting possibilities. One of the most ambitious goals is sending humans to Mars. This journey would push the boundaries of human ingenuity and expand our understanding of the solar system. Private companies are playing an increasingly important role in space exploration. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are developing reusable rockets and spacecraft. This will make space travel more affordable and accessible. International collaboration will be key to future space missions. By pooling resources and expertise, nations can achieve more together than they ever could alone. The International Space Station is a testament to the power of international cooperation in space. Section 6. Space Tourism, a giant leap for travelers. What was once the realm of science fiction is rapidly becoming a reality. Space tourism is on the horizon. Soon, ordinary people will have the opportunity to experience the awe and wonder of space travel. Companies like Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin are developing spacecraft specifically designed for tourists. These suborbital flights will offer passengers a glimpse of Earth from the edge of space. Looking further ahead, orbital space hotels and even lunar tourism may become a reality. Imagine spending a vacation orbiting Earth or even walking on the moon. The possibilities are truly out of this world. Space tourism is not just about entertainment, it also has the potential to inspire future generations of scientists, engineers, and explorers. By making space more accessible, we can ignite a passion for STEM fields in young people around the world. Section 7. Artificial Intelligence, the new frontier in space. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is poised to revolutionize space exploration. AI-powered systems can analyze vast amounts of data, make decisions in real time, and operate autonomously in challenging environments. One of the most promising applications of AI in space is robotic exploration. AI-powered rovers and probes can explore distant planets and moons with greater autonomy and intelligence than ever before. They can collect data, conduct experiments, and even search for signs of life. AI is also playing a vital role in spacecraft operations. AI systems can monitor spacecraft health, optimize trajectories, and even perform autonomous docking maneuvers. This frees up human operators to focus on more complex tasks. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications in space exploration. From self-replicating robots to interstellar probes, the possibilities are limitless. Section 8. Sustainability in space, a responsibility to our future. As we continue to explore space, it's crucial to prioritize sustainability. We have a responsibility to protect the space environment for future generations. Space debris is a growing concern. Defunct satellites, spent rocket stages, and other debris pose a collision risk to operational spacecraft. International cooperation is essential to develop effective debris mitigation strategies. Sustainable space exploration also involves minimizing our environmental impact on other celestial bodies. Planetary protection protocols are in place to prevent the contamination of other planets with Earth-based life. By adopting sustainable practices, we can ensure that space exploration remains a force for good for generations to come. It's our duty to preserve the beauty and wonder of space for future explorers. What if I told you that your smartphone, weather app, GPS, and even the materials in your running shoes were all made possible by space technology? This isn't science fiction, this is real, and it's happening right now. From orbiting satellites that monitor climate change to robotic arms performing surgeries, space tech is not just out there. It's right here on Earth, transforming our daily lives. Buckle up, because in the next 9 minutes, we're diving into the fascinating world of space information and technology, and how it's shaping the future of humanity. Let's rewind for a moment. Picture the 1950s and 60s. The Cold War is raging, and the United States and the Soviet Union are locked in a different kind of battle, the space race. Both nations are vying for cosmic dominance, each launch a gigantic leap for their respective ideologies. But here's the thing about competition. It breeds innovation. Sure, the space race was fueled by political tension, but it also sparked an explosion of technological advancement. Think about Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite to orbit Earth. That little beeping sphere, launched by the Soviets in 1957, sent shockwaves through the world. It wasn't just a technological marvel, it was a wake-up call. It showed us that humanity could put things into space, and that had implications far beyond bragging rights. Then came the Apollo missions, a bold response from the United States. The goal? Land a man on the moon and return him safely to Earth. We all know the iconic image of Neil Armstrong taking that one small step, but the impact of the Apollo program was anything but small. To get to the moon, NASA had to invent, innovate, and push the boundaries of what was considered possible. And the data collected during those missions, data about the moon's surface, the Earth's atmosphere, even the effects of spaceflight on the human body, wasn't just for space geeks. That information would eventually become the bedrock of modern global communication, navigation systems like GPS, and the weather forecasting models we rely on every day. Fast forward to today. The space race might be a thing of the past, but our fascination with space is stronger than ever. And this time, it's not just about national pride, it's about understanding our planet and securing our future. Right now, as we speak, there are thousands of satellites orbiting Earth, a silent symphony of technology constantly circling above us. These aren't just expensive pieces of metal. There are digital eyes in the sky, working tirelessly to collect data and relay information that impacts our lives in countless ways. Think about it. Every time you check the weather app on your phone, thank a satellite. When you use your GPS to navigate through a new city, that's satellite technology at work. Even your ability to stream this video, to connect with people across the globe in an instant, is made possible by a network of satellites beaming information back and forth at the speed of light. Satellites are the unsung heroes of our modern world, keeping our communications flowing, our financial transactions secure, and our entertainment options endless. But their impact goes far beyond convenience. Satellites play a critical role in monitoring our planet's health. They track weather patterns with incredible precision, giving us early warnings for hurricanes, typhoons, and other natural disasters. They monitor deforestation, helping us track illegal logging activities and protect vital ecosystems. They even measure sea levels, providing crucial data on the effects of climate change. These technological marvels are constantly gathering information, beaming down terabytes of data every single day. That's more data than your smartphone could store in a lifetime. Chapter 3. Technology born in space. We often think of space exploration as something that happens out there, something separate from our daily lives. But the truth is, space technology is all around us, woven into the fabric of our everyday experiences. Many of the technologies we take for granted here on Earth were actually born from the challenges of space exploration. Remember that memory foam mattress you sleep on? You can thank NASA for that. It was originally developed to cushion astronauts during the intense G-forces of launch and re-entry. Or how about those scratch-resistant lenses in your sunglasses? Yep, that technology was initially created to protect astronauts' visors from the harsh conditions of space. Water filters, cordless vacuums, even the LED lights illuminating our homes. All of these innovations have roots in space exploration. Take, for example, the cordless vacuum cleaner. It might seem like a mundane invention, but its origins lie in the Apollo program. NASA needed a way for astronauts to collect lunar samples without being tethered to a power source, so they partnered with Black & Decker to create a lightweight, portable, battery-powered drill. That technology eventually made its way into our homes, revolutionizing the way we clean. Then there's the medical field, where space technology has led to some truly groundbreaking advancements. The development of CAT scanners and MRI machines, for example, was heavily influenced by technologies originally used to process images from space probes. These imaging techniques, now commonplace in hospitals around the world, allow doctors to diagnose and treat a wide range of medical conditions with incredible precision. It's called spin-off technology, and it's one of the most fascinating and beneficial outcomes of investing in space exploration. Chapter 4: The Future of Space Tech. As we stand on the cusp of a new space age, the pace of innovation is only accelerating. Private companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are joining government agencies like NASA and the European Space Agency in not just exploring space, but in commercializing it. We're witnessing the dawn of space tourism, with companies offering suborbital flights and even planning orbital hotels. Imagine a future where a weekend getaway could involve a trip to a space station. But it's not just about tourism. These companies are developing reusable rockets that drastically reduce the cost of launching payloads into orbit. This opens up a world of possibilities for scientific research, Earth observation, and even space manufacturing. One of the most ambitious projects on the horizon is Starlink, a constellation of thousands of small satellites launched by SpaceX, with the goal of providing high-speed internet access to every corner of the globe. Imagine a world where even the most remote communities have access to the same educational resources, business opportunities, and online communities as those in major cities. That's the promise of Starlink, and it's a game-changer for global connectivity. And then there's artificial intelligence, or AI, which is playing an increasingly important role in space exploration. AI is being used to manage complex satellite constellations, analyze massive amounts of data from space telescopes, and even pilot autonomous spacecraft. On Mars, rovers equipped with AI are exploring the Red Planet, searching for signs of past life and paving the way for future human missions. These rovers are essentially robotic geologists, analyzing soil samples, mapping the Martian terrain, and sending back a treasure trove of data that helps us understand the history of our solar system. We're even using AI to develop early warning systems for asteroid impacts, helping to protect our planet from potential cosmic threats. The future of space tech is a future of collaboration, innovation, and boundless possibilities. Chapter 5: Why it matters to you. Now you might be thinking, this is all very impressive, but how does it really affect me? Here's the thing. Space is no longer just the domain of astronauts and rocket scientists. The information and technology stemming from space exploration are deeply intertwined with our lives, impacting everything from our health and well-being to the future of our planet. Remember those satellites we talked about? They're not just up there taking pretty pictures. They're providing crucial data that helps us understand and combat climate change, track the spread of diseases, and predict natural disasters. The technologies developed for space travel, from lightweight materials to advanced life support systems, are finding new applications in fields like medicine, transportation, and renewable energy. The more we invest in space, the more we unlock tools and innovations that can improve life here on Earth. Think about it. The challenges of space exploration, extreme temperatures, limited resources, the need for self-sufficiency, force us to think outside the box, to come up with creative solutions to complex problems. These solutions often have applications here on Earth, in areas like sustainable agriculture, water purification, and disaster relief. Space exploration is an investment in our future, a catalyst for innovation that pushes the boundaries of human ingenuity. It's about understanding our place in the cosmos, about unraveling the mysteries of the universe, and about inspiring future generations to dream big and reach for the stars. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, space isn't just out there, it's in your phone, it's in your hospital, it's in the very fabric of our modern world. And the more we explore it, the brighter our future becomes. Outro Space Tech. It's not science fiction, it's now. If this blew your mind even a little, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into space tech and discoveries. Drop a comment below. Which space invention surprised you the most? And don't forget to share this with someone who thinks space is just science fiction. Because the truth is, space is already here. Imagine this, a monstrous hurricane brews in the Atlantic, threatening coastal communities. But this time we're not caught off guard. Thanks to eyes in the sky, satellites monitoring Earth from space, we have ample warning. This is just one way space technology is transforming life on Earth. From tracking storms to guiding our cars, space technology has become an invisible force shaping our modern world. But how does it all work? What exactly is space information and technology, and how do they impact our daily lives? Get ready to explore the fascinating realm of space technology and its profound influence on our planet. We'll embark on a journey from the technical intricacies of satellite data collection to the inspiring possibilities of space-based solar power and asteroid mining. Fasten your seatbelts as we uncover the incredible ways space tech is not just changing our world, but saving it, one innovation at a time. Space information and technology encompass a vast and interconnected field. Simply put, it's about gathering knowledge about space and then using that knowledge to create tools and technologies that benefit humanity. Space information refers to the raw data collected from space. This data can include images of celestial bodies, measurements of atmospheric conditions, and signals from distant stars. Space technology, on the other hand, focuses on the tools and systems used to gather, analyze, and utilize this space information. This includes everything from powerful telescopes and satellites orbiting Earth, to the software and algorithms used to process the data they collect. Together, space information and technology form a powerful synergy. Raw data from the cosmos, when processed and analyzed, transforms into valuable knowledge, leading to life-changing applications here on Earth. The impact of space technology extends far beyond the realm of scientific exploration. It touches our lives in countless ways every single day. Consider the everyday act of checking the weather forecast. Satellites orbiting our planet provide real-time data on atmospheric conditions, enabling meteorologists to predict weather patterns with remarkable accuracy. This not only keeps us informed but also helps save lives by providing early warnings for severe weather events like hurricanes and blizzards. Farmers, too, are reaping the benefits of space technology. Precision farming, a technique that uses satellite data to optimize crop yields, is revolutionizing agriculture. By analyzing data on soil conditions, water availability, and even crop health, farmers can make informed decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and harvesting, maximizing their output while minimizing environmental impact. And of course, we can't forget the ubiquitous GPS system, a testament to the power of space technology. This network of satellites orbiting Earth provides precise location data, allowing us to navigate unfamiliar cities, track shipments across continents, and even find our lost phones. These are just a few examples of how space technology is solving real-world challenges and improving our lives in concrete ways. The magic of space technology lies in the seamless integration of hardware and software, working in perfect harmony to collect, analyze, and transmit data from the cosmos to Earth. It all starts with satellites, our eyes and ears in space. Equipped with an array of sensors, these sophisticated machines capture images, measure atmospheric conditions, and even track the movement of tectonic plates. This raw data, beamed back to Earth at the speed of light, forms the foundation of space information. Once received by ground stations, the data undergoes a transformation. Powerful computers, often employing artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms, process this raw data, extracting meaningful insights and patterns. This processed information is then relayed to end users, ranging from government agencies and research institutions to private companies and individuals. They, in turn, leverage this data to develop life-changing applications across various domains. Section 5. Pushing the boundaries, innovations in space technology. The field of space technology is constantly evolving, with groundbreaking innovations emerging at a rapid pace. The James Webb Space Telescope, for example, is peering deeper into the universe than ever before, capturing stunning images of distant galaxies and providing unprecedented insights into the cosmos. SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, is revolutionizing space travel with its reusable rockets, making space exploration more accessible and cost-effective. Their Starlink project, which aims to provide global internet coverage through a constellation of satellites, has the potential to bridge the digital divide and connect even the most remote corners of our planet. These cutting-edge technologies are not just pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity, they are also creating new possibilities for scientific discovery, economic growth, and global connectivity. Section 6. A universe of collaboration, sharing the final frontier. Space exploration by its very nature fosters collaboration. The challenges of exploring the cosmos are too vast for any one nation to tackle alone. International cooperation is at the heart of major space missions. The International Space Station, a shining example of global collaboration, has hosted astronauts from 19 countries, conducting groundbreaking research and fostering cross-cultural understanding. Open-source data sharing is another cornerstone of progress in space technology. By making space data freely available to researchers and developers worldwide, we unlock its full potential, fostering innovation and accelerating scientific discovery. Section 7. Space, the final frontier, and our ultimate resource. As we look to the future, space holds immense potential to address some of humanity's most pressing challenges. Space-based solar power, a concept that involves capturing solar energy in space and transmitting it to Earth, could provide a clean and virtually limitless source of energy, mitigating climate change and reducing our dependence on fossil fuels. Asteroid mining, another exciting frontier, promises to unlock vast resources that could be used to build infrastructure in space, alleviate resource depletion on Earth, and even fuel future space missions. While these concepts may sound like science fiction, they are rapidly moving from the realm of imagination to the realm of possibility, driven by advancements in space technology and a growing awareness of the interconnectedness of Earth and space. Section 8. Space. It's closer than you think. Space technology may seem like a distant and complex field, but it's closer to our daily lives than we realize. It's in the accurate weather forecasts we rely on, the GPS navigation that guides our journeys, and the satellite TV that entertains us. As we continue to explore and unlock the mysteries of the cosmos, we can expect even more groundbreaking innovations that will shape our future in profound ways. From revolutionizing communication and transportation to addressing climate change and resource scarcity, space technology holds the key to a brighter and more sustainable future for all. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember, they're not just distant points of light, they represent a frontier of knowledge, innovation, and inspiration. And their exploration is shaping our world in remarkable ways. Engage with your local science communities, support space exploration efforts, and let's continue to unravel the mysteries and harness the potential of the cosmos together. We look up, we see the stars, the moon, the vast emptiness of space, but what we don't see is the invisible web that connects us all. This web, woven from satellites and space technology, is more than just a technological marvel. It's a lifeline. It's a testament to human ingenuity, and it plays a crucial role in our daily lives, often without us even realizing it. This network, silently orbiting above us, is the backbone of countless systems we rely on. From the GPS navigation that guides us through city streets to the weather forecasts that help us plan our days, space technology has become deeply intertwined with our lives. It's a hidden hand, shaping our world in ways we often overlook. But the impact of space technology extends far beyond these everyday conveniences. It enables global communication, connecting people and cultures across vast distances. It allows us to monitor our planet's health, tracking climate change and natural disasters, and it provides a platform for scientific discovery, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. In this essay, we'll journey through the fascinating world of space technology. Imagine a world without GPS. No more turn-by-turn directions on your phone. No more real-time traffic updates. Getting lost would be a constant worry. This is just one example of how satellites, those silent sentinels in space, have become indispensable to our daily lives. Weather forecasting is another area revolutionized by space technology. Satellites equipped with advanced sensors provide us with a constant stream of data about our planet's atmosphere. This information allows meteorologists to predict weather patterns with remarkable accuracy, keeping us safe from storms and helping farmers plan their harvests. But the reach of space technology extends even further. Financial transactions, which form the backbone of our global economy, rely heavily on satellites for secure and instantaneous communication. Telecommunication networks, connecting people across continents, depend on satellites to relay signals. Even the internet, that vast repository of information, relies on satellites for global connectivity. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. Space technology plays a vital role in disaster management, providing real-time imagery and communication during emergencies. It enables environmental monitoring, helping us track deforestation, pollution, and other threats to our planet. It even supports archaeological research, allowing us to uncover hidden treasures from our past. Our journey into space began with a simple beep. In 1957, the Soviet Union launched Sputnik, the first artificial satellite to orbit Earth. This event, marking the dawn of the space age, sparked a global race for space exploration. The following decades witnessed a series of remarkable achievements. Humans landed on the moon. Space stations, orbiting laboratories in space, became a reality. Space probes ventured into the depths of our solar system, sending back breathtaking images of distant planets and moons. In recent years, the landscape of space exploration has shifted dramatically. Private companies like Elon Musk's SpaceX and Jeff Bezos's Blue Origin have emerged as major players, driving innovation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. These companies are developing reusable rockets, dramatically lowering the cost of space travel. They are building powerful telescopes, allowing us to peer deeper into the universe than ever before. And they are even planning missions to Mars, aiming to establish a permanent human presence on another planet. The future of space exploration is brimming with exciting possibilities. Imagine quantum satellites capable of transmitting information with unbreakable encryption. Picture three-dimensional printed space stations, assembled by robots in orbit. Envision spacecraft navigating the cosmos with the help of artificial intelligence. These are not just futuristic fantasies. They are real technologies being developed right now, poised to revolutionize our relationship with space. Quantum satellites could lead to a new era of secure communication, protecting our data from cyber threats. Three-dimensional printed space stations could provide us with long-term habitats in orbit, enabling us to conduct scientific research and explore our solar system. AI navigation could pave the way for autonomous spacecraft, capable of venturing far beyond our current reach. But the potential of space technology goes far beyond exploration. It holds the key to addressing some of humanity's most pressing challenges. Space-based solar power could provide clean and sustainable energy to the entire planet. Asteroid mining could unlock vast resources, helping us meet the growing demands of our civilization. And space-based telescopes could help us unravel the mysteries of the universe, from the origins of life to the nature of dark matter. In the vast wilderness of the Canadian Arctic, a lone hiker found himself stranded and injured. Miles from civilization, with night approaching and temperatures plummeting, his situation seemed dire. But then, a beacon of hope. His personal locator beacon, a satellite-powered device, activated, sending a distress signal into space. This signal, relayed by a network of satellites, reached a search and rescue team hundreds of miles away. Guided by the beacon's precise location data, the team braved treacherous conditions to reach the injured hiker. Thanks to the life-saving capabilities of space technology, he was rescued and returned to safety. This is just one example of the countless lives saved by space technology. From tracking and predicting natural disasters to coordinating emergency response efforts, satellites play a vital role in protecting us from harm. They provide early warning systems for hurricanes and tsunamis, giving people precious time to evacuate. They enable communication in disaster zones, allowing rescue workers to coordinate their efforts and reach those in need. As we've seen, space technology is not just about rockets and satellites. It's about pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity, exploring new frontiers, and using our knowledge to improve life on Earth. It's about connecting us all, fostering collaboration, and inspiring future generations. The future of space exploration is filled with challenges, but also with immense opportunities. As we continue to unlock the secrets of the cosmos, we'll undoubtedly make new discoveries that will benefit humanity in countless ways. From space tourism to asteroid mining, the possibilities are endless. Imagine a world where we can travel to space as easily as we travel across the globe. Imagine a world where we can harness the resources of our solar system to meet our growing needs. These are not just dreams, but real possibilities that could become reality in the not-so-distant future. The pursuit of space exploration is not merely a quest for knowledge and technological advancement, it is a testament to the indomitable spirit of humanity. It reflects our innate curiosity, our desire to push the boundaries of what is known and venture into the unknown. This drive to explore is what led our ancestors to cross oceans and discover new continents, and it is what compels us to reach for the stars today. Continued investment in space exploration is essential for the future of our planet and our species. It fosters innovation, leading to the development of new technologies that have applications in various fields, from medicine to energy production. It inspires young minds, encouraging them to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM, ensuring a new generation of thinkers and innovators. Space exploration is not a luxury but a necessity. It's not just about sending rockets into space, it's about improving life on Earth. It's about understanding our place in the cosmos, inspiring future generations, and ensuring the long-term survival of humanity. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember this: space is not some distant and irrelevant realm. It's an integral part of our daily lives, shaping our world in ways we often overlook. And as we continue to explore this final frontier, we can look forward to a future filled with wonder, discovery, and progress. Imagine a world without GPS. You're lost, right? No phone to guide you, paper maps are useless. This is just a glimpse of life without space tech. Space tech isn't just about rockets and astronauts, it's woven into our lives, often unseen. Remember watching live sports from across the globe? Thank a satellite. Ever used a weather app? Space tech again. Our world thrives on information from above. This information, collected by satellites and telescopes, is the backbone of many technologies we take for granted. Space tech might seem like something out of Star Wars, but it's very real and very important for our everyday lives. So, what exactly is space tech? Simply put, it's technology developed to explore and understand space. This includes satellites orbiting Earth, telescopes peering into the cosmos, and rockets launching missions. Space tech provides us with something called space information. This information can be anything from images of distant galaxies to data about Earth's atmosphere. This information is like a goldmine for scientists, engineers, and even everyday people. It helps us understand our planet better, predict weather patterns, and even navigate our way around town. From understanding climate change to finding our way home, space tech is the invisible hand shaping our world. Satellites are like our eyes in the sky. They constantly orbit Earth, collecting valuable information about our planet. This information helps us in countless ways. Imagine you're a farmer. You need to know the best time to plant your crops. Satellites can help. They monitor soil moisture and predict weather patterns, giving farmers crucial information. Or let's say you're a scientist studying climate change. Satellites track changes in sea level, ice cover, and deforestation, providing vital data for research. From monitoring natural disasters to helping us understand our changing climate, space tech is making our planet a safer and more sustainable place. Section 4. Guiding our way and feeding the world. We've all used GPS, right? Whether it's finding a new restaurant or navigating through traffic, GPS has become an indispensable part of our lives. But did you know that GPS relies on satellites? These satellites send signals to your phone, pinpointing your location with incredible accuracy. This technology has revolutionized navigation, making it easier and safer to get around. But space tech's impact on our lives goes beyond navigation. Remember the farmer using satellite data for better crops? That's just one example of how space tech is helping to feed the world. From precision agriculture to monitoring fishing activities, space tech is playing a crucial role in ensuring food security for a growing population. Section 5. Reaching for the stars: breakthroughs in space tech. The field of space tech is constantly evolving, with new breakthroughs happening all the time. One of the most exciting recent developments is the rise of reusable rockets. Companies like SpaceX are developing rockets that can launch into space and then return to Earth for a safe landing. This is a game changer for space exploration, making it cheaper and more sustainable to launch missions. Another groundbreaking achievement is the James Webb Space Telescope. This powerful telescope is allowing us to peer deeper into the universe than ever before, unlocking secrets about the early cosmos and the formation of galaxies. These breakthroughs are just a taste of the amazing things happening in space tech, pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity and exploration. Section 6. Living on the Moon, powering the planet. The future of space tech is full of exciting possibilities. One of the most ambitious goals is to establish a permanent human presence on the Moon. Imagine scientists conducting research in lunar laboratories or astronauts venturing out to explore lunar craters. A lunar base would be a giant leap for humankind, paving the way for further exploration of our solar system. Another exciting possibility is space-based solar power. Imagine collecting solar energy in space, where the sun is always shining and beaming it down to Earth. This could provide a clean and sustainable source of energy, helping to combat climate change and reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. Section 7. The final frontier: space tech's boundless future. Space tech is more than just rockets and satellites. It's about pushing the boundaries of human knowledge, exploring the universe, and finding solutions to some of the biggest challenges facing our planet. From everyday conveniences like GPS to groundbreaking discoveries about the cosmos, space tech is an invisible force shaping our world in countless ways. As we continue to explore the final frontier, the possibilities of space tech are limitless. Who knows what amazing discoveries and innovations await us in the years to come? One thing is certain: space tech will continue to play a vital role in shaping our future, inspiring generations to come with the wonders of the universe and the boundless potential of human ingenuity.